coming soon, burger language. Whoa. Movie night back with another clit ass. I'm your host, Easy. Welcome to Car Language, and I'm nice at cooking. So today we're gonna show y'all how we make our Dominican burger. A lot of y'all done heard of Washington Heights. They got the food trucks with the burgers. You know, they got that special sauce with cabbage in it. That's called the Chimi. So that's basically the Dominican American burger. Another one of my favorite hobbies. I wouldn't open up a restaurant. A lot of people telling me to open up a restaurant. I really don't want to because I don't see myself being in the kitchen under the heat all day long. So I just take it as a hobby. I've been fortunate enough to have a lot of friends that are chefs slash cook really, really good. And they've showed me a lot throughout the years. But I've always been nice. You know what I'm saying? So I pick a lot of people's brains. So this is not just me trying to make like a YouTube channel on how I cook. I'm just showing y'all, you know what I mean, some things we do on the side. Hope y'all enjoy. Definitely yummy. Let's go. So this is what we gonna need. We got our brochote buns. We got some butter, we got cabbage, ketchup, mayonnaise, we got soy sauce, we got garlic, black pepper, and we got the caldo con sabor de pollo. We got our meat, 80% lean, 20% fat, allegedly. We got Swiss, and we got an onion. Now, the only reason why we got one onion is because I'm making maybe 2 burgers for me. We got this little burger maker, and we got a bowl to season our meat. So these are the seasonings that we're gonna use to season our burgers. Normally I go crazy when I'm feeling real lazy. I'll use the onion powder. I'll grab adobo. Us Spanish folks, we like our stuff very flavorful, but for a burger and steak, you don't really want to go too crazy, especially when you're gonna use like some raw onion. I ain't doing that. I might as well make a video. Now this right here will make it taste too salty, so add a bit, just a little bit. Don't cover the whole block of meat with it. Get some, like that. This black pepper as well. It could get very black pepperish. If you don't got one of these, get one. This is like the perfect way to make a burger shape. Grab a nice little chunk of meat, throw it in there, a little more. It's easy. It got options too. You could take them off and kind of make mini burgers, make big burgers. So I think this is a nice little tool right here, especially for y'all that like to cook. Take it out. This is how it's gonna look. I'm a modern day type of dude. I'm gonna throw this in an air fryer, just like that. Same tool. You can kind of press it, because remember, all that grease and fat is gonna spread out. See, those are the little tools. I ain't mean to do that, but I'm gonna just take it out, and now we ready. Throw it in the air fryer. I didn't set the air fryer to it, but 395, that's what it was on. I put it on air fry, and let's let it cook. Want to make sure it cooks on both sides. Now, this is a side note. My burger is going to taste good, but the ones that are going to taste better are those right there. So that meat is seasoned. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the fridge. The kids will be back later. That's a secret and the #1 trick to having a real flavorful, any type of meat, any type of food. The key is to season it and put it in the fridge. 2-3 days better. The longer the better. You don't want to wait too long, but as far as like goat, let's say even a steak, pork shoulder, stuff like that, you definitely want to keep seasoning in the fridge for a week. You want that seasoning to seep in there, really get in every nook and cranny of whatever it is type of meat that you're cooking. You'll need, let's say, like 2 teaspoons or 2 spoons. A lot of these professionals, teaspoon. Hey, grab whatever spoon is available. Grab like 3 in there, you know what I mean? Get a nice little bit. You in there, grab ketchup. I'm using one hand. Think I share this with y'all. I ain't got nothing else to do. Throw some ketchup in there, you know what I mean? that special sauce. And the secret ingredient to the special sauce is soy sauce. Bomb. Sick. Mix that joint up. You want to get like that orangey color. Something like that. See it? It's that special sauce. Why put mayonnaise on the bottom of the bread and ketchup on the top? You know what I mean? Just make a nice little sauce. Everybody fighting. Yo, pass me the ketchup. Oh, you didn't put no mayonnaise in here. Yo, I just made special sauce, bro. A little orangey. I think you got too much damn mayonnaise. A little, you know what I mean? I hate when that happens. At least it ain't spread no water. You see, now I got the little orangey taste. That let us know that we balanced that out right. See? Just smell it. Smell that damn thing. So after, make your sauce. High heat. Same spoon, because this is the last of the butter. My bad, y'all. This is tough right here. Like a nice little, you know what I mean? Chunk in there, butter. Use the last thing. So we got our butter in there, sliced our onions. We're gonna go ahead and throw our onions in there. I mean, get them to get real nice and, I guess, a little soggy type. They show y'all, man. I could teach y'all a lot, man. Teach y'all how to review cars, teach you how to cook. I mean, put y'all on some game with trucking. I mean, this is the number one rule. If you're gonna become a truck driver, or if you got plans on becoming a truck driver, don't. If you already done got your license, make sure you get some lessons on learning how to cook. It's plus so much Arby's, McDonald's, and what's that other one that's nasty as hell? Chicken something. It's with the yellow bird. That joint is nasty. But look, boom, right there. High heat. Let that joint drop a little bit. This is what you want it to look like. Now, that was the stove that I had it on. I put it on to the cold one that I wasn't using. You want that to look, you see, nice and caramelized. Boy, it's nice. That's gonna taste fire. You see that excess butter that's gonna drip all over the beef. Then we're gonna throw the Swiss on there. Then we're gonna throw the cabbage on there. We're gonna make sure that bread toast. Woo. Our burgers in there. We grab 2 slices of Swiss. Wait till it melts, and we'll throw our buns in there. That's what you're looking for. That's what you want. You want that joint to just melt all up. Don't hate. Finished product. Let me know what y'all think. I know y'all know it look good. I know a lot of y'all mouths is borrowing. I hope you eat poppy seeds and they come out THC in your drug test. I'm willing to take that loss. Now, if Ramsey and King Kong had a baby, they wouldn't have nothing on me. This right here is spectacular, special, awesome, easy. Car language. Stay tuned. More content coming soon. Burger language. Whoa.